Hello. In today's video, I will share with you working method to get Xbox Game Pass completely for free. It's a legit way and work for anyone. Just follow my steps. So let's start. You will need your mobile phone. I will share with you easy and fast method to get free Xbox Game Pass gift card so you can redeem a subscription completely for free. First, we need to get this rewards app. You need to play games and collect points to exchange it for gift cards. This is the best rewards app today. They have paid over $60 million to their users. Since the start of the app, I will leave the link in first comment if you want to get that app. Okay, now I will tell you guys my method to get a lot of points in that app fast and easy. To maximize your earnings and collect the highest number of points in the shortest time, you need to follow a smart and proven strategy. The key is to diversify your games. When you download and play at least 4 new games that you haven't played before, you'll receive a big boost of points at the start, as the app rewards you more when you begin a new game. However, over time, the points you earn from the same game will decrease. Here's the smart trick. Instead of focusing on just one game, switch between 4 or more games, allowing you to take advantage of the high initial points from each new game. With this simple strategy, you can reach the withdrawal minimum within just a few hours after downloading the app. Don't waste time playing only one game. Use this smart method to earn the most rewards with the least effort. Yes, this takes a while, but it's free money, so it deserves. So why pay when you can earn for free? Click the link in first comment, get the app, to get extra points when you use that link. The sooner you start, the faster you cash out, and it's all completely for free. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.